Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you another withdrawal proof of the website. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. All my videos are free on our website, and let's get started. This is the website. I have this much coin in my balance right now. I want to withdraw. Just this website pay you Feyorra, Ethereum, Litecoin and dogecoin. I just click Feyorra. I put my wallet address of the Feyorra. I just click withdraw. This website sent me instantly my Feyorra to my faucet pay. I just reload the faucet pay. I come down to share with you the withdrawal proof of this website. And now you can see this much Feyorra coin this website pay me instantly to my faucet pay. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos, and this website link available in description. If you want to earn, you can earn like a short, just complete the short links and you can visit the website. You can earn if very easy the Feyorra from this website. And thanks for watching guys, and this website link available in description, and bye bye for now.